So when I tell you that rose water held this makeup in place, it did. And I was just gonna go to the store and buy me some more sand spray, but I don't think I am. I sell this on my website.
You really had me out here thinking I was mid. Like I wasn't that gas, like I wasn't that fire, like I wasn't that za. Are you crazy? Well, let me reintroduce myself.
It's Diamond Shantae. It's Diamond Shantae.
So I have a doctor's appointment today, and I wanted to do my makeup. I want to do something real lightweight and dewy today. So I'm starting off with these two primers, and I'm running late, so I gotta hurry up. So we got the Laura Mercier foundation primer, which is a lightweight water-based primer, and then the Smashbox Photo Finish Radiance primer. I know I should have did my makeup earlier. Like, I'm forever always running late with everything I do. And I had plenty of time to get ready because I changed my appointment today. It was supposed to be at 9. I thought it was going to be at 9:30. And I called them. They were like, hey, we can change to 10:45. I'm like, oh, perfect. I got plenty of time to get ready. But here I am, rushing anyways. Alright, so my foundation, I'm going in with the Becca Skin. This is a weightless blur foundation. I don't even think I've used this one before, but it got brightening complex, so I was thinking that maybe the look that I'm going for this will work. We'll see. So I went in and added this Bare Mineral liquid foundation because that Becca one is too light, and I gotta hurry up. It's 10:12. I gotta be at the doctor's office at 10:45, and I still gotta drive there. So they will cancel your appointment, and I cannot have my appointment canceled. Okay, I'm gonna get the rest of this rendered out. Oh my God. So for concealer, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way Radiant Concealer. Then I'm gonna just do a little on the contour with. I'm going with the Born This Way again, but we're going in a darker shade. This right here is the very deep shade. The first one was the medium tan. Like a nice bronzy look for today. It's so sunny and pretty. So I thought that something nice and bronzy would be so cute for a day like this. Usually I like to go in with a face powder first to set under my eyes and then go on my setting powder. But since I'm not doing just like a real full coverage look, I'm not going to do that. So I'm only going to go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. And go, and I'm just gonna press that in. And so now I'm going in with my Too Faced. It's supposed to be a bronzer, but it's light. Beverly Hills powder, which this right here is my favorite bronzer. So I applied my blush off camera because I couldn't find it at first, but I used my Juvia's Place palette, I use this palette. Okay, and so for eyeshadow, I'm just gonna use the shade that I bronze with and just take it over my eyelid over here in the corner. Just like that, just to give it a little bit of definition. I could not find my sand spray, so I'm gonna use my rose water to just set my face with, which should work pretty good. And it's also gonna give me like a nice dewy look as well. Let that dry a little bit. And then I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop Super Shock. Just highlight under my eyebrow. Alright, so I got my lips outlining. I know they look a little crazy, but hey, it's a process. So first I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Starfish, the liquid lipstick. Just kind of do that to get everything pretty blended. So once I get everything pretty blended, then I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna top it with my my Bella Pierre Kiss Proof lipstick cream. I love this. And I'm just gonna do a little bit of this in the center. Okay, so I got the Bella Pierre on, which is, you can see it gave it like a nice pink tint, which is what I'm going for. And then I'm gonna top it with my Mary Kay Ultimate Lip Gloss, because I'm gonna do a shiny lip today. I love this lip gloss too. My Mary Kay don't give me the shine that I'm looking for or that I want. Sometimes I like to be extra glossy. So I'll go in with my lip gloss from my lip gloss line, just to add a little bit more shine. See, I like that. And you can even go in with the pencil, just to darken up the corners a little bit. Yeah, this is the final look. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye. So this is the look. It was nice and glowy. Exactly what I was looking for. My makeup wasn't too heavy. I even came home and took a nap.